product on this list is the Tilswall Paint Sprayer. The Tilswall electric paint sprayer is a versatile and high-powered tool, ideal for achieving smooth and precise painting results. Powered by 800 watts, this sprayer ensures excellent atomization and accuracy, making it perfect for a range of painting projects like ceilings, fences, cabinets, walls, wood, and crafts. Its 1300 milliliters detachable container allows for extended use without frequent refills, improving efficiency and convenience. Whether you're a professional painter or a DIY enthusiast, the Tilswall paint sprayer is built to meet your needs. The ergonomic split design of the Tilswall sprayer sets it apart as it separates the motor from the spray handle. This design minimizes hand fatigue, providing more flexibility during prolonged use. The 8.2 feet hose and 9.8 feet cable further enhance mobility, eliminating the limitations of short cords and allowing you to work comfortably in larger spaces. One of its standout features is the variety of spray patterns and nozzle sizes. With 3 nozzle options, 1.0 millimeters, 1.8 millimeters, and 2.6 millimeters, and 3 spray patterns, vertical, horizontal, and circular. This sprayer can handle everything from thin paints like sealers to thicker paints like latex and chalk. Cleaning is also straightforward thanks to the detachable design and included cleaning tools. The motor's power can be slightly noisy during extended use, and the sprayer may require a learning curve for beginners to master the spray adjustments effectively.